St. Michael School District's at an affordable price that's totally move-in ready and has the opportunity for some equity. I think you're gonna really like it. This one's 504 Sumerlin. Let's go check it out. No split entries here. This home's got a wide open layout with light bright vaulted ceilings. It's got a great kitchen with stainless appliances and an island. And I love the sunken living room, which is cozy and yet connected to the rest of the home. As we make our way outside, you're gonna see it's perfect for indoor-outdoor entertaining with this large patio off of the kitchen. It's also a fully fenced corner lot and has a 3-car garage with tons of space. Upstairs, you'll find all 3 of the bedrooms, including a large private master bedroom, hall bathroom, and 2 guest beds. Downstairs, you've got a large second living space. It's got a gas burning fireplace, perfect different areas for a living room or if you need to work from home or for kids' play areas. And then you've also got equity potential in the unfinished basement. An affordable home like this isn't gonna last for long, so if you can see yourself living here, just shoot me a call or a text. My name's Joe Carmack. Thanks for watching.